number 10. This activity you have to finish. Cat, cup, car, cry. C-R-Y is cry. Finish? One by one, those are finished. Please show me. Hashni, I have seen.
Ma'am, only the
Yes?
Ma'am, only the pentagon page.
Yeah,
no,
yeah. This alone you have to do, not this one. This alone you have to do. That's it. That's the activity we have done in this book today.
Last word is ma'am, katta, ma'am.
Cry. Cry. C-R-Y, cry.
Okay.
Yeah, ma. Very good, ma. Very good, Vivan. Good morning, Ritvik.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, good morning. Very good, Vivan. Oh, now only you're saying good morning to Vanilla Mama. Good morning, ma. Vivan. Okay, children, finished. Everyone have finished.
Finish, ma'am.
Dave Krish, finished. Very good.
Ma'am. Finish, ma'am.
Kartikeyan, very good. Danvin, very good. Dev Krish, Vivan, Tarnika, Hashini, Janavi, good. Siddharth, did you finish, ma?
Ma'am, he's writing, ma'am. He's writing.
Okay, finish.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, good morning, ma Pranita.
What's the light, ma'am?
Page number 10. You will have a hexagon there. On that hexagon, you have to find out 4 words and write. Here, this one. 4 boxes are given here, right? Car, cat, cup, and cry.
I finished.
Very good, Siddharth. Ready, finish? Pranita, finish, ma?
What now?
Not it, ma'am. Actually,
My
we just
playbook.
My playbook.
yes.
Right, today's date also, children. It's 25/1/2021.
Good morning,
Yes, who's that?
ma'am.
Who's it? Vidyuta.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, good morning, ma Vidyut. Very good morning, ma. Car, cup, cat, and cry. Those are finished. Can close your book. We'll start the session.
Finish, ma'am.
Yeah, very good, Mazeli.
Finish.
Well done. Very good.
Ma'am.
Lakshana, finish. Very good, Lakshana. Nitila, very good. Well done,
Ma'am.
Nitila. Very good, Nitila. Zedi also good. Vidyut, where is your hair, Vidyut? What happened to your hair? Where is your hair? What happened with you? Nova. Where it has gone?
Went to temple.
Went to temple. Ah. Went to temple.
Can you hear us, ma'am?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay,
He's saying went to temple. Yeah, good children. All of you close your books. We'll start our kidsy anthem. Okay? Join your hands and close your eyes, children. Join your hands. Close your eyes. Close your eyes, everyone. No cheating. We want kidsy anthem. You are within me. You are infinite. You are unique. My potential inside. You are the wind beneath my flight. You define me. My potential inside. Today I pledge with all my might. I shall achieve you. My potential inside. Yes, open your eyes. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning.
Sorry, children. Network issue. Okay. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Unmute yourself and say good morning.
Everyone.
Yeah, good morning. Yeah, very good morning. Very good morning, everyone. Okay. So we'll finish off with our attendance also. Darshika. Darshika.
My name is Tashika, studying junior KG.
Dev Krish.
My name is Sekresh. I am studying in junior KG. I am 4 years.
Danvin.
My name is Danita. I am in junior. I am 4.
What happened to your audio, Danvin? What happened, Danvin's mom?
We are not audible, ma'am.
Yeah, it's breaking actually.
I'll check it, ma'am. I'll check it, ma'am.
Yeah. Dev Krish also voice is very low. Please check it, okay? Because you have your speech, right? So check
Yes,
it.
ma'am.
Diction. Diction is absent, okay. Farnaz. Ashni.
My name is Ashini. I am studying in junior KG. I am 4 years old. I am physical person.
Any more left? How many you will say? Janavi. Janavi.
My name is Jana. We studying junior KG physical 4 years old. Thank you, ma'am.
Kartikeyan.
Yes, I am ma'am. My name is Kartikeyan. Studying in junior KG 4 years old.
Very good. Kavyani. Kavyani.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, Vanilla, ma'am. Have a good day.
Have a good day. Why your video is off?
Ma'am, my
I
name
can't
is
see you, Kavyani. Ah.
Hi, I am Vanilla, ma'am. My name is Kavyali. I'm studying in junior KG. I'm 4 years old. I'm
Good.
Kitty girl.
Okay. Good. Nitek.
My name is
Nitek.
Naitika. I'm studying in junior KG.
Okay. Pranita. Pranita.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. I am Pranita. I am studying junior KG. I am 4 years old.
Very good. Rohita. Rohita is absent today. Ritvik.
Ma'am,
Ritvik.
my name is Ritvik. I am studying in junior KG. I am 55.
Very good. Nitila. Nitila.
I'm a kindy girl. My name is Nila. I am studying university. I'm a kindy girl.
Very good, Nitila. Satvika. Hmm.
I'm studying junior KG. I'm 4 years old.
Okay, Siddharth. Siddharth.
Sidhu, attendance.
Siddharth.
Ma'am, 1 second. He's drinking water, ma'am.
Okay. Tarnika.
My name is Tanika. I am studying in junior KG. I am 4 years old.
Very good. Vishank.
Good
Vishank.
morning, ma'am. My name is Sushank. Ma'am, I'm studying in junior KG. Ma'am.
Very good, Vishank. Yes, Siddharth.
Tell your attendance.
My name is Siddharth. I'm studying in junior KG. 4 years old. Good morning.
Okay, Vidyut. Vidyut.
Ma'am.
My name
Good
is.
morning, ma'am. I'm the Vitut What today. I'm in junior KG. 4 years old.
Very good, Vivan. Vivan.
Say properly.
If you are not saying properly, I'm not going to ask any attendance for you hereafter.
Attendance ke matter. Say properly.
Come on.
Say properly.
Come on.
Ivan.
My name is Vivan.
Anga
I
Prathan.
KG, junior KG.
Very good. Okay, Zadi. Zadi.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Jedi.
Pattern.
I'm 4 years old. I'm studying junior KG. I am physical.
Very good. Lakshana. 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 Okay, I'm marking you, Lakshana. Okay. Very good, children. Thank you so much. 1 minute. Okay. Okay, now months of the year. Ready? We'll do only the months of the year and then we'll start. Okay. Months of the year. Come on, who is going to say that? Who is going to say that? Who is going to say, oh my God, Nightic. Okay, come on, Nightic. Start January.
January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, November,
October. November.
October, November,
December. Very good. Okay, Janavi. Janavi. Say.
January, February, March, April, May, June, August,
July.
August, September, October, November,
December. Very good. I saw only very few children jumping. Others, all of you are sitting. Become very lazy nowadays. I want all of you to stand up now for Tamil Thai Vaalthu. Come on, stand up, everyone. Want all of you to stand straight. Janavi, end of the session, will you sing national anthem, Janavi? Today? Okay, very good, Janavi. Okay, now come on, all of you stand. Tamil Thai Vaalthu. Okay, stand up, all of you. I don't want anyone to sit. Stand up.
நீராறும் கடலுடுத்த நிலமடந்தை கெழிலொழுகும் சீராறும் மதனமென நிகழ்வரத கண்டனிதில் எக்கணமும் அதில் சிறந்த திராவிடனல் திருநாடும் தக்க சிறு இவை முதலும் தரித்தனரும் திலகமுமே அத்திலக வாசனை போல் அனைத்துலகும் இன்பமுற எத்திசையும் புகழ் மணக்க இருந்த பெரும் தமிழனங்கே தமிழனங்கே உன் சீரிழமை திறந்தியந்து செயல் மறந்து வாழ்த்துதுமே வாழ்த்துதுமே வாழ்த்துதுமே.
Okay, now all of you can sit. Come on, sit down. Okay, today is our Republic Day celebration, okay? And we are going to hear some speech related to Republic Day. Okay, are you all ready for that? Okay, first we'll hear a speech from Republic Day celebration. Okay, January 26th is our Republic Day celebration. Tomorrow is holiday, so we are celebrating it today. Okay, children? So, Ritvik, are you ready for the speech?
Yes, ma'am.
Ritvik? Yeah, come on, Ritvik. Unmute yourself, ma.
Focus. Focus. Focus.
What, ma?
What do you
Ready, Vidyut? Sorry, Ritvik.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Children, you can pin Ritvik, okay?
Mine, ma'am.
1 minute.
Many friends. When we talk about and why Republic Day. Republic Day celebrated on 26th January every year.
This year,
This year,
we are going to
going to
celebrate
celebrate
72nd
our
Republic Day. Republic Day.
Republic Day.
On this day,
On this day,
in 1950,
1950,
the Constitution of India
Constitution of India
came into force.
came into force.
This Constitution
This Constitution
was
was written by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar.
the main Republic
Main Republic Day
celebrated
celebrated
in
New Delhi.
New
New Delhi.
Grand Parade
Grand Parade
held in New Delhi
is held in New Delhi
by
by armies, navies, air force.
giving tribute to
We to our great leader, freedom fighters. One national flag, which is many countries. Which is national anthem, proud to be Indian. Jai Hind! Jai Hind! Jai Hind!
Yes, very good. Well done, Ritvik. Very nice presentation. Well done, and thank you so much, ma. Very good. Okay. Well done. Children, I want all of you to unmute yourself and clap for Ritvik. Come on. Clap for Ritvik. Okay. Children, if your speech is not very clearly audible, you can use your headset. And even more clearly, we can hear it from you. Okay? It's a small suggestion. Okay? If you are doing any speech, you can use your headset. Okay? Thank you, children. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Ritvik. Thank you. Okay, next we are going to see a speech regarding national flag. Okay, Hashini.
My name is Asani. I am going to talk about national flag. It is also called Tiranga. It is also in the contains 3 colors: saffron, white, and green. Saffron and saffron indicates courage. Green, white indicates peace. Green indicates prosperity. On the center, Ashoka Chakra. Atas 24 posts. We should respect, salute, or the national flag. This is it is a symbol of freedom and unity. Jai Hai, Jai Hai.
Very good. Children, clap hands for Hashini. Very good. Well done, Hashini. Thank you so much. Okay. Then we'll see a speech regarding our national flower. Which is our national flower, children? Which is our national flower? Which is our national flower? Lotus. Okay. Shall we see a speech regarding that? Okay. Who is going to talk about that? Shall we see? Next is Siddharth.
Stand up. Stand up.
Hey, wow. Very nice, Siddharth.
Hold it properly.
Siddharth's mom, take a snap of it and send it to me, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Sit down.
Very good. Very nice, Siddharth.
Lotus. Thank you. Bye bye.
Lotus.
You can sit over that sofa and on top of that.
Mama,
You can sit there and say.
Here is it.
You can sit on top of there and you can say. You can adjust your camera a little bit back. Ah, perfect. Now hold your lotus and you speak. Loudly, okay, Siddharth?
Lotus. So,
Lotus.
Ah.
National flag. Yeah.
What is lotus like? Good.
Strong.
Strength.
Strength.
Dignity.
Dignity.
சொல்லுக்கண்ணா.
நீ சொன்னா நானும் சொல்றேன்.
Why Siddharth's mom? He knows, he will say.
Tell me. Tell.
India.
Achievement. Ma'am, can you give me 5 minutes, ma'am?
Okay, why? What happened?
He's getting stuck in it.
It's okay, you help him. No issues, Siddharth. Come on, say it. Say it, come on.
Lotus, me?
India.
I will be the lotus. So,
Lotus. Lotus.
Flag.
Flower.
Yeah.
India.
Lotus is
Pink color.
pink color. Okay.
Water.
Sentences சொல்லு. It is Hindi.
Isn't any
Water.
water.
Lotus means. Lotus means
Lotus strength.
dignity.
Dignity. நீ சொன்னா நானே சொல்றேன்.
Siddhuma. Achievement.
Achievement. Achievement.
It is a auspicious.
Auspicious.
சொல்லு. Ma'am.
Okay, take your own time. Okay, finally I'll ask you again. Okay. Okay, next is our national tree. Okay, what is our national tree, children? What is our national tree? Yeah, banyan tree. Okay, today we are going to see a speech regarding banyan tree. Okay, ready? Banyan tree. Who is going to talk about that? I think it's Karthikeyan. Oh my God, Karthikeyan, very beautiful. Please, children, those who have dressed up beautifully, please take a snap and send it to me in group. Okay? Very nice, Karthikeyan, very beautiful. Very nice. Good. Come on, start.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Karthikeyan. Talk about banyan tree. Banyan tree. I am a banyan tree. Banyan tree. National tree. Banyan is a national tree. Good show. Good. Food. My leaves are rosy green. My fruits are small and red color. I have lots of aerial roots. I look for long ears. So called terminal tree. And green color. And therefore, prosperity of India. Thank you, everyone.
Very good. Well done. Children, clap hands and encourage them. Children, how beautifully described a tree and all. Very nice. Thank you so much, Karthikeyan's mom. Very nice. Beautiful. Well done. Thank you so much, Karthikeyan. Okay. Next is our national bird, children. You are going to love this, okay? Kavyani, are you ready?
Ready, ma'am?
Yeah.
Ready, ma'am?
Ready? Okay, come on.
Good morning to all.
Loudly, Kavyani. Speak loudly, okay?
Good morning to all. Happy Republic Day. It is our 32nd Republic Day. India. My name is Peacock. English Day. We have to dance for our freedom center. Freedom center. And Totem beyond India.
That's it?
That's it, ma'am.
Very good, Kavyani. Well done. Thank you so much. And you are looking very beautiful. Children, look at the peacock. Kavyani peacock. Very nice. Well done. Okay. Next, you are going to see about our national fruit. This is our national fruit. This is our national fruit, children. Mango. Okay, now the mango is going to come and talk about Republic Day. Shall we see? Okay, come on, Dave Krish. Come on.
Hello everyone. I'm Davis. I'm going to talk about mango. Mango is a national fruit of India.
It is.
It is very sweet, juicy, and pulpy fruit.
It is used for.
It's used for making jams, milkshakes, and
Which is loved.
which is loved by everyone.
It has.
It has vitamins, minerals. I love mango. Thank you. See?
Well done. Very good, Dev Krish. Well done and very good, Dev Krish. Thank you so much, Dev Krish and Dev Krish mom. Thank you so much. Well done.
Thank you.
Clap hands for your friend, children. Clap hands, everyone. Unmute yourself and clap hands for your friends. Very good. And thank you, Dev Krish. Okay. Next is our interesting one. National animal. Which is the national animal, children? Which is the national animal? Tiger. Okay. Let's see. Tiger. Is the tiger ready for speech? Please, parents, take a snap and send it to me in group, okay? Tiger. Vishank. Hi, Vishank. Oh my God. Very scary.
Good morning, ma'am.
Very nice. Yeah, good morning.
Good morning, everyone. I'm a tiger, the national animal of India. I'm a wild animal and I live in the jungles. I'm a carnivore and I belong to the cat family. I have a yellow fur and black stripes all over my body. I can climb on trees and swim in water. I'm called Lord of the Jungle. As I symbolize strength, grace, and power. I became the national animal of India. As responsible Indians, stay tigers and stay proud. Wish you all a happy Republic Day. Jai Hind. Thank you.
Vishank, you're such a sweetheart, Vishank. Thank you so much, Vishank. Well done and thank you so much. Give a big hug to your daddy and mummy. And thank you so much, Vishank's parents. Thank you so much for such a awesome speech. Very good. Thank you, Vishank. High five to ma'am first.
Thank you, ma'am.
Tiger, high five to ma'am. Very good and thank you so much, Vishank. Very good boy you are. I love you, Vishank. Okay, next is our national sport. Which is our national sport, children? Which is our national sport?
Hockey.
National sport. Hockey. Hockey. Okay, we are going to see a speech on that. And you know who is going to speak about that? It's Dhanvin. Come on, Dhanvin.
Start. Good morning. I'm Dhanvin sir. Happy Republic Day. I'm going to talk about hockey.
Okay, sir.
Hockey is a national game. It is an outdoor game. It is played with the two teams. With the stick. It is played with the two teams.
The line it is played with.
With the stick and the ball. Each team has
Show the hockey stick.
Neil
Show the hockey stick. Yeah,
Each
good.
team has 11 players. I like to play hockey.
Well done, well done. Very good, Dhanvin. Thank you so much, Dhanvin's mom and Dhanvin. Thank you so much. Okay. And anything else we have left out? National tree, fruit, and finally, Siddharth. You didn't speak
Ma'am, he
properly, no?
wants.
Now will you do
Yeah,
that?
yes, ma'am. Sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, speak properly. Come on.
Good morning. Excellent. Good morning.
Good morning, Vanilla ma'am.
Hmm.
Good morning, friends. We're going to talk about lotus. 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 Lotus.
Lotus is the
Lotus.
Lotus. Lotus. Lotus.
Siddharth.
Come on, Ma, Siddharth.
Flower.
Lotus.
India.
India. Pink. Lotus pink color.
Lotus is pink.
Girl.
Lotus means
Fish.
egg. Means
Lotus means
symbol.
symbol of strength, purity,
Purity.
rebirth, dirty water. Lotus is beautiful flower. Thank you.
Well done. Well done. Okay, parents, please send a snap of your children along with the props which they used today. Okay, please send the snap of it. And then next is a story. Okay, today's story. Who is going to say that? It's going to be Nitek. Nitek is ready. Nitek is ready, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, children. All of you pin Nitek's name. It's in the name of Drishya Vyas. Would everyone mute yourself, children? Everyone mute yourself except Nitek. Kavyani, mute yourself, ma.
Very good, Kavyani. मैं तो हिंदी बोल रही हूँ.
Good morning, everyone. I am going to narrate in the story of Blue Jackal. There was a naughty jackal in the jungle. One day he was running. He found big bucket full blue thing. When other animals see the blue jackal, they were surprised. They thought it is a new animal. No. They made Blue Jackal king of the jungle. He got many food. He got very happy. Ha ha. One night, when other jackals were howling, the blue jackal howled back. Ooh. Other animals got angry. He kicked Enough. Thank you.
Very good, Naitik. Very well narrated. Thank you so much, Naitik. Children, did you all hear the story? What was the name of the story? Come on, tell me.
Jackal.
What was the name of the story?
Jackal.
Jackal. Okay, what the jackal did? What happened to the jackal?
Wink.
What happened to the jackal? It ran and fell into the what? Paint bucket. What color was that paint?
Blue.
Blue. Only Dhanvan is answering. Others children, answer, come on. What color was that paint? Blue color paint. Okay, and then as soon as it went inside the jungle, what the other animals thought? என்ன நினைச்சாங்க other animals? What did they think about that jackal? Yeah, they thought it was a new animal and they made it as their king also. And they gave lot of, what did they give to that jackal? They gave lot of food. And what the jackal did, as soon as the other jackal howled, what this jackal did, what this blue jackal did, it also howled. Yes, okay, as it howled, the other animals found out that it was not a new animal, it was the jackal. And what did they do with that animal? They kicked that animal out of the jungle. Okay, so what did you learn from the story? You should not cheat others. Okay, you should not at all cheat others. Okay, very good, and thank you so much, Naitik, for the story. And then one more thing I wanted to tell you regarding the Imagine kit. This will be the first sheet. I'll send you this sheet in our group. Okay, you please color it and keep it ready. Okay, on Wednesday we'll be doing this Imagine sheet. Okay, for that you have to, those who are new to the junior KG, though you have to download the Imagine app. I'll show you that 1 minute. Go to Play Store and if you say Imagine app, you will get a purple color app, first one. And inside of it, it will be written as Imagine, sorry, Kidsy. Okay, the first one you see in the screen, that app you have to download it. Okay, and then you have to keep ready with the sheets which I showed you now. I'll send you that in group also. What color has to be given, everything I'll send you. Okay, so please be ready with this. You'll be having all the dinosaur sheets only. First is this dinosaur. Can you see everyone? First will be this dinosaur, Allosaurus. Okay, so I'll send you how to color this, what all color you have to give. So color it beautifully and you have to download that app also. Wednesday we'll definitely do this sheet. Those who didn't get that kit also, you can go to our school and get your kit. Okay. So thank you so much, children, and those who have participated today in speech. Thank you so much for your participation. Thank you very much. And now I want all of you to stand up for National Anthem. Janavi, are you ready to sing National Anthem? Janavi?
Okay.
Yes, all of you stand up, children. Ma'am is also going to stand. Come on. Ready, Janavi? Yeah, stand up, all of you. I don't want anyone to sit. Stand up in an attention mode. Okay? Stand up, attention. Start, Janavi.
Janaganamana Hattinayaka Jaya He Bharata Bhata Vidata Panjamasina Pujarata Maradava Vipaya Sativanga Jaya He
Vindhya Himachal Yamuna Ganga Uchchala Chalati Daranga Tava Shubha Name Chahe माहे गाहे तव जय दादा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे Yes, Jai Hind, and thank you so much children for your participation and cooperation. Thank you everyone. Bye children. Bye everyone. Tomorrow is holiday. Tomorrow is holiday. Yeah, bye. Wednesday only will.